Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a big living room set for you. It's a 14-seater sofa set, and we have 4 center tables and 6 side tables, all in teak wood and walnut finish. Apart from the design part and the color part, the fabric part, let's discuss a few more things that we require when we are designing our living room. First, the space in itself, and according to the space we decide we need a 5-seater sofa, 7-seater sofa, or we need a bigger set like this. If you have big sitting and you want something like this can be arranged. But what are the options, how the entire process, how it is decided what we want, and what points we need to consider when we are thinking about a sofa set? There are 3 things primarily. First, the design part. If you see in this one, this is a very clean look design, more like a French design, where we have very little carving. If you see, we have a little carving on the top crown, a little carving on the lower part, and the legs are simply carved, not very heavy legs, very thinner legs compared to the sofa we usually show you. And the entire unit has got a very clean and very French kind of look, a simpler look. Now, this depends on how you want to decorate your place. You're looking for very lavish or royal or very designer stuff, then this will not work for you. You may have to go for heavier carving or double carving and colors like gold and silver and champagne and triple shade, dual shade, these kind of colors. But this is in polish. And polish and paints, Duco paint, are 2 different things. Then the second thing is about the pattern. If you see here, we have a single design that is continued. We have a 3-seater and the same design 2-seater and the same design chair. And this is continued in the entire set. We have got 4 single chairs, 2 2-seaters and 2 3-seaters. And then we have 4 big tables that are on the all the sides that you see here. Once the glass is put on top of it, it's ready for use. And similarly, 6-side table. What options do we have in this if you don't want to get this similar kind of set? You can go for a divan instead of a 2-seater. You can go for a divan this side. You can go for settee, open back settees, or you can go for higher back chairs also. In the entire set, if you want to differentiate one chair, maybe like a setup where a home is belongs to a leader or a political leader, and you want to separate one chair where you can sit and discuss with the entire team. So a little higher back chair can be provided, or a different color. Then the fabric part. In the fabric, you can see we have a same tone for all the units, and we have got divided fabric. I mean, if you see here, these are separate, and 1 2 3, similarly 2 in the 2-seater. It can be a single setup, it can be in 2 pieces, or it can be entirely 1 piece single movable. So it can be fixed or movable, just like this one, removable one. And even the back, if you see, it has got plain look. And in the back, we have got option for quilting with the buttons, with the diamonds, or without the buttons and diamonds. A quilting can be placed. The quilting is the crisscross pattern that we have on the back, and generally we use plain cloth at the back when we are doing quilting. So that is again one option. So 2 options in the cushion part also. Yes, fabric is again a choice part. Which fabric, which color suits the place, your entire theme, the aura, that depends on you. You like it, you tell us, and we'll provide you options. Apart from the designing part, the color part, as I mentioned, this is polish. You can go for natural finish, you can go for darker color, or you can go for a cherry color or mahogany color. These are polish colors. And then we move to Duco paints. Duco paints are too many colors. You can pick any color you want. The most popular color is antique gold, antique silver. Then we have white, off-white, and then triple shade, dual shade, champagne, and rose gold. And if you are going for the real lavish kind of look, you can go for gold leafing, silver leafing. That gives the royal palace look to the stuff, to the sofa set or the furniture that you are looking for. So these are all the options. There are several options, and anywhere you want something like this or something like this, you want maybe this is a display of your office or your business, then you can go for logos that we have also done earlier. You can place your logos on all the items. So the entire thing basically means what you want, and it involves everything: size, colors, design, the logo part, the fabric part. even the number of tables, and we don't make anything out of our choice. What you want, we make that and we deliver right to your place where you are. Not just in India, we have covered entire India already, but 55 countries out of India as well. And we are doing it for a number of years, for a number of clients. And if you go to our website, you see the testimonial section, you will find so many pictures there. These pictures show what we have done. And you want to see more stuff, you can go to YouTube channel and you can see there are more than 2500 videos where I have shown you different items, sofas, dinings, beds, jhulas, and most a lot of temples. So much stuff we have made and delivered across the globe. This is one sample in teak wood, walnut finish, and we have got so much more for your liking, for your choice. You can select what you like, let us know, we'll make that and deliver to your home at factory price. The number is right here, please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.